Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it, enable notification for more interesting and challenging program. Right, today is one more lead code problem I have taken. Right, that is a contains duplicate. Right, array contains duplicate. Right, given an integer array of numbers. Right, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. Right, if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if element is distinct. Right, suppose if we take a first example 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 is the duplicate. Right, so output will be true. Element 1 occurs at the indices 0 and 3, so return true. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. No duplicate, false. Right, here duplicate is there, return true. Right, fine. Right, this is a question asked in a lot of companies, right? FAANG companies, right? Then, right, we will see how to. Right, there is a lead code program, right? Lead code program we can solve in efficient way, right? Better way and worst way, right? We have multiple ways. Suppose if we take an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Right, we can solve it in by using brute force. Right, by using the brute force, suppose, right, brute force. Right, we can take a first element and compare with all remaining elements and we can verify. That means that time complexity will become big O of n square, big O of n square, because we need to use right multiple loops here. Two loops we have to use. Right, two loops we are using, so it will become a time complexity will increase. Right, with the brute force. Right, each element we will compare with the remaining elements. That is one. Right, next one is we can do a sorting. Right, we can do the sorting and we can verify adjacent elements. Right, if we sort it, if any duplicates are there, we will find in the adjacent. Right, adjacent elements we can compare. Right, this is one approach. And one more approach we can one more approach we can use the hash set. One more approach we can use hash set. What a hash set will do, right? It will not allow duplicates, right? Suppose if we take this array 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I have added in the hash set 1. Okay, there is no duplicate already exists, so it will add. Suppose I am trying to add one more next element 1. What it will do? Right, there is a add method. Right, what it will do, if it is adding means it will return true. Return type of add method is boolean. Right, if you it is add to hash set, element is added to hash set, it will return true, otherwise false. That means whenever we trying to add duplicate element, it will return false. So that means there is a duplicate, it is not adding. Right, by using this condition we can take the advantage of hash set. Right, whenever we are adding any element to hash set, it will return false. Right, if it is adding means it will return true. If it is not adding means, that means duplicate found, then it will return false. Right, in this approach, right, complexity is O of n, right, O of big O of n, and time complexity and space complexity also O of n only, because right we are storing in the hash set. Suppose if we found the element in the last, we have to iterate almost all the elements. So time and space complexity is O of n in this approach. Right, fine. Then if you know the better than this, there might be a multiple ways. This is the one of the best approach I found. This is the worst brute force is right, worst approach. Right, that will time complexity is more. Then we can sort, and this is a little bit fine. And hash set is a more generic approach. Right, then we will try to solve this program in the Leetcode. This is the 217 program. If you want Leetcode, go to 217 program. then we can, right, now I will take a set of integer, right, a set of integer, just a set equal to new, right. While writing in the Leetcode Java program, it will not give any compilation errors. Before, while running, it will show the compilation issues, but while typing it will not show, because it is not a, right, not like Eclipse or IntelliJ, it will not tell us. So we have to iterate each number. Okay, I will take for each loop. Right now what I will do, I am trying to add element, right, set dot add number, right. If it is adding means it will return true. Suppose if it is duplicate found, false, right, not of false. Suppose not added, that means I found a duplicate, then I will return true, right. Once this for loop is done, that means no duplicate is found, return false, right. Okay, let me run it. Compilation error. Okay, here numbers, right, this is numbers. Let's see, all cases are passed here. 1 2 3 1 duplicate is there, true. Second case is 1 2 3 4 no duplicate, false. Case 3 duplicate is there, so true. Now we can submit and see what is the time and time complexity, space complexity for it, right. See, 7 milliseconds it took to execute and it beat 99.31 people, right. But there is a, see, there is a 1 millisecond, 2 milliseconds also executed, right. There is a better approaches also there. If we analyze the complexity, right, time complexity O of n, and space, if you memory complexity also O of n, right. Like this, right, we can submit and see, and also we can also see the what is the, if we click on these blue symbols, right, we will get what, right, other people written code also, right. Right, if you like, right, my way of teaching and right, content presentation, just right, like the video, subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting challenging programs. Please share it to our friends, right. Please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.